because you're an idiot.
And now we have.
Wow.
Wow. Whoa.
Wow.
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 Let's see, more holes.
Wow.
Wow.
Whoa, this is pretty darn cool, actually.
Oh, my back's so sweaty.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Wow.
This is incredible. Incredible. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to keep referencing this, but this is Zelda. Look what's right across it. You know how like you run along that path right here and there's like a river of bad guys down here?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. I mean, it's a little expensive, but look at the location. See, I feel like this is a good entertaining space.
But I wonder how the school system is in this area. You don't want Link growing up in a bad school system.
And this can't do. This can't do this.
Oh no! Look at the damage here. This is just
totally renovation.
real shoddy work.
Roof.
Yeah!
You're just farting, Livy.
Mine is?
Yeah. Shame. 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 Shame.
Come on, you stupid motherfucker!
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Keep going, Addy.
I can't. I need water.
2 weeks out. We should be pretty close by now.
What is that? What is that?
It's a tree, and
It's a mirage. It's a beautiful woman. We found it, Jacob. Shh. We found a safe spot. Now run, Libby. Now run. It's right here. She was right here. Jacob, I swear she was right here. She's gone. She's gone.
Punch your bag.
The beautiful scene is so fabulous in this. That's how you do it, baby. Nails these hot cheeks. We're gonna need you to take out the bogies on that bridge. Help out our Marines. Keep shooting, Marines. Don't stop. Take a rocket launcher. Quick.
I'm just gonna say this while it's on camera. Jacob told me that I'm one of the smartest.
My name's Andrew Bernard. I was with a group called Dunder Mifflin.
Hello. The Dead Sea.
This is in Skip. Does this look cool?
probably not.
Littering the pristine beach that once housed the likes of Moses, King Tut, and others. Now it's a degenerate wasteland of filthy beggars and homeless people bathing in their own filth. How you doing, buddy? Oh, this is nice stuff, man. This is the kind of water we want.
Amenhotep got played.
Ramses is a pimp, outplayed Amenhotep. Jake, they might attack you. Oops.